students, our next topic is Champaner. Okay, and now all the things means all the things which is related to cultural heritage or places of cultural heritage is mostly from the reference to Gujarat. Okay, first is Champaner. Champaner is the foothills which is situated in Pavagadh district at Halol Taluka in Panchmahal of Gujarat. Okay, so after the victory of Champaner, Muhammad Begda gave it to the position of capital and named it Muhammadabad. Okay, so this ruler was a very powerful, and this Muhammad Begda, Be means two. Okay, its original surname is not Begda, but why here written as his original name is a Fateh Khan. But at the same time he won two forts, Junagadh and second is a Champaner. Okay, that's why his name is मोहम्मद बेगड़ा. ओके, और उसके बारे में बहुत फेमस स्टोरी भी है कि वो बहुत जब भी छोटे थे, ओके, तो उसकी मम्मी उसको थोड़ा थोड़ा पॉइजन जहर देती थी. ओके, ऐसा लिखने में आया है. मीन्स गुजरात की अस्मिता, पर्टिकुलरली एक ऑथेंटिक सोर्स ऑफ गुजरात गवर्नमेंट, गुजरात की अस्मिता, उसमें लिखा है कि मोहम्मद बेगड़ा थे. ओके, उसकी जब वो छोटे थे तो उसकी माँ ने उसको पॉइजन दिया था. ओके, ये सब क्यों करते थे? क्योंकि शिवाजी ने भी खाया था. ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि उन सब की मम्मी को पता है कि मेरे बेटे को कोई वॉर करके, तो युद्ध करके कोई हरा सकता है नहीं, लेकिन अगर उसके साथ कोई छल कपट करके किसी ने जहर खिला दिया तो ओके, इसके लिए वो उसको जहर देते थे. और तो जब भी वो बड़े हुए तो उसकी जो खाने की कैपेसिटी है वो इतनी इंक्रीज हो गई कि वो एक दिन में 200 बनानास और जो एक पूरा कटोरा होता है कप बड़ा वाला, वो भर के घी पीते थे. ऐसा ये ऑथेंटिक बुक में लिखा है, अगर आपको रीड करना हो तो कर सकते. ओके, Champaner, after the victory of Champaner, Muhammad Begda gave it the position of a capital. Okay, because the atmosphere of Champaner was quite beautiful and Muhammad Begda loved it. Okay, and after that it gave its name to Muhammadabad. Moti Masjid, Jama Masjid and historical fort are different buildings in Champaner. Considering art of architecture and historical importance of Champaner, UNESCO has declared as a World Heritage Site. Okay, because of it was a very important perspective of from the historical. Okay, in 2013-14, UNESCO has declared this town as a site of a World Heritage. Okay. Next, places or monuments of a cultural heritage of Gujarat. So, Gujarat has the famous or foremost place in the field of sculpture and architecture. कई सारे ब्यूटीफुल आर्किटेक्चर यहाँ पर देखने को मिले, जैसे कि केव आर्किटेक्चर, टेम्पल, फोर्ट्स. वाव, वाव मीन स्टेपवेल. स्टेपवेल मीन्स क्या होता है कि जो ये ग्राउंड है, ओके, उससे भी नीचे अंडरग्राउंड में देखने को मिलती है, इसलिए वहाँ पे स्टेप होते हैं और वो उतर के आप जा सकते हैं, इसलिए स्टेप पे. आर्चिस, आर्चिस मीन्स तोरण. नाउ लेट अस नो अबाउट द प्लेसेस ऑफ कल्चरल हेरिटेज ऑफ गुजरात. नाउ अर्लियर वी हैव सीन अबाउट द प्लेसेस ऑफ कल्चरल हेरिटेज ऑफ इंडिया, बट नाउ वी विल सी कल्चरल प्लेसेस ऑफ कल्चरल हेरिटेज ऑफ गुजरात. ओके, Dholavira and Lothal. We already discussed these two places in the chapter number 3. Dholavira is located in a Kutch and Lothal is located in a where Ahmedabad district. Okay, so Dholavira and Lothal were the main cities of Indus Valley civilization, which we have already discussed in chapter number 3. I already told you. Dholavira is situated in Khadirbet at Bhachau Taluka, Kutch district. Okay, Dholavira is also known for its ideal town planning. Okay, because each and every Indus Valley civilization has only two parts or two town parts. One is a citadel, means ruler's fort, and second is a common people's house. Okay, but only in Dholavira the part of this town is a 3, or other terms you can say that in Dholavira the town planning can be divided into 3 parts. First is a ruler's house or citadel. Second is a minister's house, which is minister in the, or which was took important place in the ruling, or it was helpful also for the king. Okay, and third is a common people house. Okay, that's why this Dholavira is known for its ideal town planning. Okay, 5000 years ago from today, bead making, bead means जो मणका होता है वो, and the ornament making shell were found out from the Dholavira. Okay, you have to remember only Khadirbet, Bhachau Taluka, Kutch district. Next is a Lothal. So a Lothal is situated near Ahmedabad. Bhavnagar highway is an architectural place. Okay, location is Ahmedabad Bhavnagar highway, which was the main center of trade and commerce and well facilitated port of Harappa culture in the ancient times. Okay, well facilitated port. Okay, only one port from which import export can be done in ancient time is only a Lothal, and also say that a well facilitated port. Okay, next is a Junagadh. In Junagadh, stone inscription of Asoka, Buddhist cave of Khapra Kodia Vav, old Rajmahal, Navganwell, tomb of Mahabhatkan, tomb of Bahauddin Wazirs. Okay, and other types of places are worth seeing. Bhavnagar fair, most important, Bhavnagar fair is held in the foothill of Girnar on Mahashivratri. महाशिवरात्रि पे भवनाथ का फेरा वहाँ पे होता है गिरनार में, आप सबको पता ही है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज अहमदाबाद. अहमदाबाद कुड बी नोन एज अ हिस्टोरिकल सिटी. ओके, अहमदाबाद है वो एक हिस्टोरिकल सिटी है. फोर्ट ऑफ भद्रा, फोर्ट ऑफ भद्र, जामा मस्जिद, मॉस्क ऑफ क्वीन सिप्री, रोजा ऑफ सरखेज, काकरिया लेक, शेकिंग मिनारेट्स मीन्स झूलता मिनारा. ओके, शेकिंग मिनारेट्स मीन्स क्या होता है कि वाइब्रेशन से वो आज भी झूलते हैं, और कैसे झूलते हैं वो कोई साइंटिस्ट को भी पता चल पाया है नहीं. Sidi Sayyid Jali, here given in the picture, Sidi Sayyid Jali was built by Muslim rulers. So you can say the in design was a very minor design, and mostly different types of plants design can be seen. Okay, temples of Hathi Singh, mosque of Queen Rupmati are worth seeing architecture of Ahmedabad. Important is of Kankariya Lake, Shaking Minarets, and Sidi Sayyid Jali. You have to remember three, only these three locations. When in exam they also asked this, Shaking Minarets is located in which state or in which city? So answer is the India, Gujarat, or particularly Ahmedabad. Okay. The Shaking Minarets outside Sarangpur Darwaja in Raipur, Gomtipur are well known for its unsolved secret of vibration. Okay, जो कि मैंने अभी बोला कि जो आज तक उसको कोई भी सॉल्व कर पाया है नहीं कि वो कैसे झूलते है। ओके, द सीदी सैयद ग्रिल इज फेमस फॉर इट्स vegetational and geometrical creation. I already told you this is a vegetational design, the minor, but this is a geometrical design. Okay, geometrical design, and this one is a vegetational design. Okay, Sidi Syed Grill is famous for its vegetational and geometrical creation and minute carving. Okay, next is a Patan, which is located in the location of a North Gujarat. पाटन, सहस्त्रलिंग लेक इन पाटन। सहस्त्रलिंग मीन्स क्या होता है? 1008। ओके, स्टेप वेल ऑफ क्वीन, रानीनी वाव, रुद्र महालय ऑफ सिद्धपुर आर वर्थ सीइंग आर्किटेक्चर। ओके, ऑल दिस थ्री लोकेशन इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर योर एग्जाम perspective. The ruins of a Rudra Mahalaya in Siddhpur suggest the grandeur of a place which is situated 26 km away from a पाटन। रुद्र महालय है वो कहाँ पे है? सिद्धपुर, पाटन। ओके, नेक्स्ट उदयमती, जो कि भीमदेव वन रूलर थे, भीमदेव वन उसकी क्वीन थी। ओके, उदयमती क्वीन ऑफ भीमदेव फर्स्ट बिल्ट वाव, जो उन्होंने स्टेपवेल कंस्ट्रक्ट की थी, विच इज नोन एज अ स्टेपवेल ऑफ अ क्वीन, रानीनी वाव। यूनेस्को ऑल्सो इंक्लूडेड दिस वाव एज अ वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज मॉन्यूमेंट इन 2014. Okay, Champaner, we have seen UNESCO gave its placed in a World Heritage Site in 2004, and Ranini Wow got a place in World Heritage Site in 2014. Okay, Siddharth Jaisi built a lake named Sahasraling Lake in 1114. Okay, सहस्त्र मीन्स क्या होता है? 1008 लिंग मीन्स कि जो टेम्पल के अराउंड आजू बाजू है वो शिव शंकर भगवान की एक 1008 जो लिंग है वो एस्टैब्लिश करना। Apart from the word Nagar, Sharmishta Lake, Kirti arches are worth seeing. Monuments. Arches are created on the two erected pillar. Arches means क्या होता है? तोरण टाइप, जो कि 2 पिलर पे ऐसे बनता है। यहाँ पे कोई भी पर्टिकुलर डिजाइन होती है। ओके, creating a shape like a bow. We have already discussed. Samraji Temple, situated on the bank of river Meswo. Okay, is very ancient place for a pilgrimage. This art of architecture is a marvelous. Many stupas and vihar were built in Gujarat during Kshatrap period. Okay, after Mauryan and Gupta period, one ruler of a Kshatrap was a very famous. So many stupa and vihar were built by the Kshatrap ruler. The remains of Buddha stupas are found from Bordevi of Junagadh district, Devni Mori near Shamlaji. This is important. Devni Mori located in Shamlaji. Intva stup, Girnar near Junagadh, etc. Besides this, many other architecture of Devni Mori, Bhavyapara, Uparkot, Khapara, Kodia, Khambariya, Talaja, Sanadak, Chinjuri Jar, Kadiya Dungar. We have already discussed all these things in a chapter number 3 in a detail. Okay, so here things to know. Wow is one type of a step well, or other name of step well is the wow, having a 1 2, 3 और 4 ओपनिंग, ओके, वाव होते हैं उसकी 1, 2, 3 और 4 ओपनिंग हो सकती है, और उसकी 3, 6, 9 और 12 फ्लोर होते हैं, 3, 6, 9 और 12, ओके। अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस, अगर 1 ओपनिंग है तो नंदा, 2 है तो भद्रा, 3 है तो जया एंड 4 है तो विजया, ओके। दिस इज द नेम ऑफ अ वाव आफ्टर द name is given after the opening of this wow, okay. This is not important for your exam and not asked given in your exam because it is given in a things to know. Step well of Adalaj, Gandhinagar, step well of Queen of Patan, Adikadi step well, Junagadh. Apart from this, Nadiyad, Mehmdabad, Umrat, Kapadvansh, Vadwan and Kaleshwari are the example of a wow architecture, not important. Next, Jain temple in Gujarat, only the Jain, most of the Jain temple is located in Shatrunjay mountain, Palitana, Bhavnagar district. Few of the temples were built in 11th century, उसमें से कुछ 11th century में बने थे. Taranga pilgrim is situated on hill near Timba village at Kheralu Taluka in Mehsana district. Okay, Taranga important, Mehsana district, Kheralu Taluka. The temple of Taramati is also situated here. Somnath temple, very famous, Gir Somnath district, Dwarkadish temple, Devbhumi Dwarka, has a gorgeous historical heritage. Okay, the list of Gujarat's cultural heritage has not been completed yet. Okay, this is also a famous places of Gujarat, but when we consider all the places, then it is not possible to study for us. Okay, South Indian temples of ancient India. Okay, South Indian temples we have already discussed in chapter number 4 और 5 कि वो लोग है वो अपने गेट, जो गेट होता है, एंट्रेंस होती है यहाँ पे, उस पर ज़्यादा फोकस करते हैं. एंट्रेंस है वो बहुत ही बड़ा होता है. ओके, लाइक दैट. तो वो लोग मोस्टली एंट्रेंस पे ही फोकस करते हैं. और मोस्टली बिल्ट किस में होता है? द्राविड़ स्टाइल ऑफ आर्ट. हियर इन अ बॉक्स सम important places of South Indian style is given. First, Mahabalipuram we have seen in this chapter. Mahabalipuram is located in Tamil Nadu. Next, Kailash temple, Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. Brihadeshwar temple already discussed, Tanjavur district, Tamil Nadu, built by Rajrajeshwar, first of Chola dynasty. Next, Virupaksha temple, Pattadkal, Karnataka. Parsurameshwar temple, Bhubaneswar, Odisha, and Vaikut Perumal temple, Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. Okay, this is not important. Other 5 you have to remember for your exam. Okay, places of pilgrimage in India. Okay, India has been a land of a pilgrimage since ancient time. So, people of India is like to go on a pilgrimage. The journey of Char Dham and 12 Jyotirling include Badrinath, Uttarakhand, Rameshwar, Tamil Nadu, Dwarka, Gujarat, Jagannath Puri, Odisha. Moreover, 51 Shakti Pithas and Amarnath Yatra are considered as the one of the most important. Girnar, Lili Parikrama, Shatrunjay Pradakshina and Narmada Pradakshina have a great importance. गिरनार लिली परिक्रमा जो कि दिवाली के बाद स्टार्ट होती है. शत्रुंजय प्रदक्षिणा है, नर्मदा प्रदक्षिणा विच इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द टफेस्ट प्रदक्षिणा. ओके, हैव अ ग्रेट इंपॉर्टेंट. इंडिया इज अ ट्रेजर हाउस ऑफ अ रिच कल्चरल हेरिटेज. इन दिस वे प्लेसेस ऑफ कल्चरल हेरिटेज गेव इंडिया यूनिक आइडेंटिटी. ओके, सभी पूरे वर्ल्ड में हेरिटेज तो है ही, लेकिन इंडिया की एक यूनिक आइडेंटिटी है, क्योंकि इंडिया में कोई एक टाइप का हेरिटेज आपको देखने को मिलता है नहीं, डिफरेंट टाइप्स के, डिफरेंट स्टाइल के आर्किटेक्चर देखने को मिलता है. दैट्स व्हाई इंडिया इज यूनिक इन टर्म्स ऑफ अ कल्चरल हेरिटेज. ओके, द टूरिस्ट फ्रॉम इंडिया एंड ऑल्सो द अब्रॉड विजिट इंडियन आर्किटेक्चर एंड कल्चर रेगुलरली. ओके, That's why this accelerate economic benefits and also provide a work for the laborers and the other people who has been living in the particular area around this heritage. Okay. And the 32 monuments, okay, this is the very old number. Today 46 monuments of India have been placed in the cultural natural heritage of India, and he is given by a UNESCO. What is the full form of UNESCO? United Nations. E means educationally, scientifically and cultural organization. Okay. But in your exam, if they ask how many monuments of Indian cultural and natural heritage have been included in the heritage site by UNESCO, so you have to write answer 32, not 40, but this is the latest number. 46 is the latest number. Okay. This is the end of our chapter number 6, which is the places of Indian natural and cultural heritage. I hope it is very clear to you all, and this is the end of our video.